short-term pains turn into long-term gains. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar, and that's my success principle for today. It happened also to me that I always struggled. I was always feeling some tension in me. I had that pressure holding me back, didn't know how to go forward, haven't found any solutions on the journey toward freedom. But I have learned that all those problems have made me who I am. You know, the strongest person I could ever be. Because right now, nothing can pull me down anymore. Especially because I have already experienced everything, and I'm fast learner, I'm fast progression. I have that possibility of fast progression, and when I learn something, I adapt to it and I hold on that thing for next time. I will have that solution forever in me. So you should do so. The same thing should happen to you too. Quickly forget about the problems that you are having right now. Find the solution, find yourself in it, and continue forward, because all these short-term pains will turn into gold after all. The thing is that you need to keep pushing forward, and there will be a day when you will be the manager of your life, if you haven't become already, and you will be able to always have control over your emotions, over your everything happening around you, over your environment. You will be the person worth of the success, of the glory that's in your environment right now. I wish that you somehow overcome those problems and become the best version of yourself on the long-term journey toward the success. See you.